Hello everyone, welcome to Abacus Learning Channel. Today we are discussing about the finger abacus. Okay, if you like this video, please subscribe, share and like. Now let's start to learn about finger abacus. First, let me explain you the instructions in finger abacus. Consider our right hand as ones digit and consider our left hand as tens digit, and each finger of our right hand as a value of 1 except this thumb finger, and our right hand thumb finger as a value of 5. To add any value, raise your finger like this. Okay, it means you are adding the value, and you can remove the value by closing the finger like this. Okay, it means you are removing the values. This is thumb finger, index finger and middle finger, ring finger and little finger. Okay, any value you are adding from this direction. Okay, and any value you want to remove from this direction. That means firstly you are having 9 numbers. You want to remove numbers means you have to remove like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now I explain you how to add each and every digit in this right hand. Initially all fingers will be like this. That means firstly have to close all the fingers, then the value is 0. Firstly raise the index finger for the value of 1. Okay, this is the value of 1. Raise index finger and middle finger for the value of 2, and raise 3 leftmost fingers for the value of 3, like index finger, middle finger and ring finger. This is the value of 3. For the value of 4, simply you open the all fingers except the thumb fingers. This is the value of 4. Now I am going to add the value of 5. Then close these values. That means you have to close 1, 2, 3, 4. Close these values and only open the thumb finger. Then this is the value of 5. If you want to represent 6, means raise thumb finger and index finger. This is 5 plus 1, 6. Okay. To represent the value of 7, raise thumb finger, index finger and middle finger. It means 7 is added. Okay. We should be raise like this: 5, 6 and 7. Okay. It is very important. Next, to indicate the value of 8, raise 5, 6, 7 and 8. This is the value of 8. Okay. To indicate the value of 9, means raise thumb finger, index finger, middle finger, ring finger and little finger. This is the value of 9. Okay. Now I am going to remove the value of 1. Okay. Firstly I take the value of 9. That means like this you have to take. I want to remove the value of 1. That means you have to close the, firstly you have to close the little finger. Like this you have to close. This is the value. When you remove the little finger here, that means you remove one number. Again you want to remove the another number, means you have to close the next finger. That means ring finger. Then how many numbers you have to subtract here? 2 numbers, 1 and 2. Okay, now I am going to remove the value of 3 means close, little finger, ring finger and middle finger. Okay, now this is the value of 6. Now I am going to remove the value of 4. Mean simply you have to close these 4 fingers and leave the thumb finger. This is the value of 5. Okay. For the remove of 5 means, when we want to remove the value of 5 from 9, simply close the thumb finger and leave the remaining 4 fingers. Okay. Next remove 6 means, firstly have to take 9 fingers, then close thumb finger and little finger. Thumb finger and little finger. Okay, here you are closing 6 thumb finger and little finger. Then the remaining values are 1, 2 and 3. Now I remove value 7. That means close thumb finger, little finger and ring finger. Okay. For the remove of 8 means take again 9, close 5, plus 1 6, plus 1 7, plus 1 8. Then the remaining number is 1. Next remove the 9. That means close all fingers like this. Okay. This means 9 is removed, then the number is 0. So these are the instructions in right hand. This is in ones digit. Next we will see the instructions in left hand, that is tens digit. For left hand works like right hand, but each value in left hand is multiple by 10. That's it. In right hand it means 1. For left hand it means 10. Then 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Okay, we have to represent like this. For the value of 50, open only the thumb finger and close the remaining all the fingers. Okay, did you understand? Again, I repeat once again. Here, now I want to check the value of 10 means open the index finger 10, 20, 30, 40. For the value of 50, close all the fingers and raise thumb. That means thumb finger in left hand represent 50. Okay. And to repeat the value of 60 means raise index finger 50, 60. For value of 70, raise middle finger 50, 60, 70. For the value of 80, raise ring finger 50, 60, 70, 80. For the value of 90, raise all fingers 50, 60, 70, 80 and 90. Okay. To remove the finger of 10, we remove from little finger like this. 10. Here I am removing the value of 10. What is the remaining numbers? 50, 60, 70, 80. To remove the value of 20 means remove little finger and ring finger. That means 2 fingers you have to close. Then the remaining fingers are 50, 60, 70. To remove 30, close little finger, index finger and middle finger. For to close the value of 40 means simply close 4 fingers. Then the remaining value is 50, that is thumb finger. For the removal of 50 means close thumb finger, then the next remaining numbers are 40. For the removal of 60, close thumb finger and little finger, not the index finger, only the little finger. For the value of 70, close thumb finger, little finger and ring finger. For the value of 80, thumb finger, little finger, ring finger and middle finger. For the value of 90, simply close all the fingers. Then the value is when our hand is 0. Okay. Now I explain you some examples for adding 2 digits value. Firstly, how to add 18. Firstly, how to add 18 means you have to take 8 in right hand and 1 in left hand. Okay. Firstly, you have to learn about how to take right hand and how to take left hand. Means take right hand as ones rod, ones place. Take left hand as tens rod, tens place. And in our right hand, we take it as ones rod means the value of thumb finger is 5. The value of thumb finger is 5. Value of rest of the fingers, that means except the thumb finger, remaining 4 fingers, each value has 1 value. That means every finger represent as 1. In left hand, that means in left hand, this is tens rod. Thumb finger value is 50. The value of thumb finger is 50. Remaining finger values 10 each. That means remaining 4 fingers, each value represent 10, 20, 30 and 40. Okay. Now how to add 18. Okay. Firstly, have to take 8 in ones digit and 10 in tens digit place. Okay. Here I am taking 8 in ones place value. That means 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay. This is the value of 8. And 1 in tens place. That means take only index finger. This is the value of 18. 10 plus 8, 18. Okay. Next we will see 27 how to add. You take 2 in left hand. That means index finger and middle finger. And 7 in our right hand. Take 5, 6 and 7. This value represents 27. For the value of 52, take 5 in tens place. That means you take only thumb finger. And 2 in right hand. Means take in from, you have to open from index finger. 1, 2. This is the value of 52. Now the next number is 78. Take 70 means 50, 60 and 70. You have to take 8 in our right hand means 5, 6, 7 and 8. This is the value of 8. This is the value of 70. This is the value of 8. Then this is value is 78. Okay. Next the value is 97. That means take 90 in our left hand. 50, 60, 70, 80 and 90. Okay. 7 in our right hand means take 5, 6, 7. Then this is the value of 97. Okay. Now we will see some examples. Okay. But whenever we are going to example, firstly have to by heart some small friend addition. Means plus 1 is equal to plus 5 minus 4. Plus 2 is equal to plus 5 minus 3. Plus 3 is equal to plus 5 minus 2. Plus 4 is equal to plus 5 minus 1. I already explained how to use small friend addition in lesson 2 in our channel. If you are having any doubt, then watch that video. Now we will see first sum right. Okay. Firstly you have to go in with our first sum. That means here you have firstly have to take 4. We are taking the numbers from index finger. Take 4 in our right hand because this is ones digit value. For ones digit value we use only right hand. Take 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Again we add 1, but here only thumb finger only is there. There is no other value of 1. Here only thumb finger is only available, so we cannot add value 1. Okay. Now I am using the small friend addition. For the value of 1, here I am using the small friend addition. For the small friend of addition of 1, what is the friendly relation to the 1 is 4. Okay. That means here you have to take plus 5 and subtract minus 4. For the addition of 1, take plus 5. Okay. Take 5 and subtract minus 4. Means subtract 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then what is the number here? 5. Then I want to remove the value of 5, means I remove value 5. Now again I add value 4, means 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then what is the value here? 4. Then what is the answer of 4 plus 1 minus 5 plus 4 is, the answer is 4. Okay. Now go to the second sum. What is the question here? Take 2. That means in right hand you take 2. 1 and 2. Then add the value of 1. Means add 1. Again you add 2. But here only little finger and thumb finger only is there. But here it is not sufficient to add. Then now here you have to use plus 2 small friend addition. That means plus 2 is equal to plus 5 minus 3. That means take plus 5 and subtract minus 3. 1, 2 and 3. Okay. Again you add value 4. Means 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then what is the answer? 9. Okay. Now go to the next sum. Means take 36. Means take 3 in left hand and 6 in right hand. Take 30 in left hand. 10, 20, 30. Okay. Take 6 in our right hand. 5 and 6. Next you have to remove the value of 5. Means close only thumb finger. 5. Next add 3. Means 1, 2 and 3. Okay. Again you add value of 1. But here we are having only the thumb finger. But the value of thumb finger is 5. It is not possible to add 1. Now here we are using the small friend addition of 1. That means plus 1 is equal to plus 5 minus 4. Means plus 5 then subtract 4. This is the answer. Then what is the answer? 10, 20, 30 in our left hand and 5 in our right hand. Means 30 plus 5, 35. Okay. What is this answer? This answer is 35. Now go to next one. Take 3. Means take 1, 2 and 3. Again take 1. Take 1. Again you have to add 1. But it is not sufficient. Then use small friend addition. Means plus 1 is equal to plus 5 minus 4. Then what is the answer? 5. Again we remove the value of 5. Means close 5. What is the answer? 0. Okay. Next go to the and the sum. Take the value of 16. Means take 1 and 6 in our right hand. 5, 6. Then close the value of 6. Means close one's digit number 5, 6. Again you add value of the 4. Means 1, 2, 3 and 4. Next add the value of 2. But here no 2 fingers are available. Only thumb finger was only available. Now we have to use the small friend of 2. That means plus 2 is equal to plus 5 minus 3. That means plus 5 minus 3. 1, 2 and 3. Okay. Then what is the answer? 1 plus 6 means 1 plus 6 means 16. Okay. Next one. Take 2 in our left hand. 1, 2 and 8 in our right hand. 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay. This is 28. Now subtract the value of 5 in one's digit place. Means you have to remove the value of 5 in our right hand. Simply close the thumb finger. Okay. Next you have to add the value of 2. But here 2 is not sufficient. Then go to the small friend addition. Means plus 2 is equal to plus 5 minus 3. Again you take the value of 2. Means 1 and 2. Then what is the answer? 20 plus 5, 6, 7. 27. Okay. Okay. Then the next sum is take 34. Means 1, 2, 3. 30 and 4 in our right hand. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we have to add the value of 3. But here only thumb finger is there. Now go to the small friend addition of 3. That means plus 3 is equal to plus 5 minus 2. plus 3 is equal to plus 5 and subtract minus 2, 1 and 2. Okay. Again you subtract the value of 5, minus 5 means simply you close the thumb finger and add the value of 2 means 1 and 2. Then what is the value here? 30 plus 4 means 34. Then what is the next sum here? 43. Take 43 means 10, 20, 30 and 40. 3 in our right hand, 1, 2 and 3. Now we have to take the value of 4. Now we have to use the small print addition. Plus 4 is equal to plus 5 minus 1. Again you have to add value of 2, 1 and 2. Now we have to subtract the value of 9 means 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here the value of in right hand is 0 and the value in our left hand is 4. Then what is the answer? 40. Okay. Thank you everyone. If you like this video, please subscribe, share and like.